All right, everybody, hello, welcome. Bienvenidos to another traveling Costa Rica video. Today we're in San Jose, guys. San Jose, capital city of Costa Rica here. We're going to be checking out Chinatown. If you can't deduce what's going on over there, we're in Chinatown. Guys, if this is your first time joining, be sure to hit like, hit subscribe right here on YouTube. Leave me a comment as always, let me know where you're watching from. But before we begin walking, let's talk about how to get here.
So for this one, we'll start at the San Jose airport, which is just south of Alajuela there, where you'll get your rental car, airport transfer, or take the bus or Uber and head west out along these highways here. You can see we passed a little airport there in San Jose before you reach downtown and head west again along the major road there. It'll take you about 25 minutes.
And then you will arrive right here, guys, at this intersection. This is the busy road. This is the road that kind of cuts through San Jose. But there is parking. I'll show you guys where I parked up in Chinatown here. So we're kind of deviating from the Moto BC tour. We had to take a deviation out to San Jose just for a couple days, guys. We're going to continue the Moto BC tour, so check the playlist for that. We're touring Guanacaste, all the beaches up there. Guys, it's busy here. We're here on a Saturday. It is nice out. Let's look at the sign. Let's look at the big thing here. That's so cool. I don't know what it says. I wish I could read. So let's see, where are we going? Where are we going? Where are we going? What do we got here? We got coffee over there. You guys know I'm a coffee fiend. What's this, Yomi cake? There's so many people standing there. It looks like probably it's good. What is Yomi cake? I don't know. There's some other stuff. Just trying to get out of the way, guys. I don't want to be like a pylon, you know? What's this place? Takoyaki. Takoyaki. Oh, yeah, they have a menu over here. Let's see what's on the menu. What's this? Okay, so I guess that's takoyaki. I don't know what it is. I don't know what it is. Could be testicles. I mean, I don't know. I'm just kidding, guys. There's all the poopocks, Ricky. Everywhere I go, they're just following me, guys. Why? So here's a cool place, Casa Naruto. Casa Naruto. I don't know what that is. If it's like a bar, let's just go walk over there. I mean, why not? I just kind of walked around here, checking things out. Oh yeah, it's like a diner or something. From the anime show. Naruto. Naruto. Oh, that's pretty cool, man. Look at that big thing in there. That's pretty cool. I like that. I think it's from Sailor Moon or something. Powerpuff Girls, something like that. I don't know. I don't want to be weird, like filming people while they eat. Somebody's gonna see this video. They got sauce all over their face, and they're gonna be mad at me. So what's going on here? We're gonna go check out that church over there in a second. I like the church. So yeah, this is in downtown San Jose, guys. I mean, it's very nice. We've done a couple videos here before. I think for the ambient channel for sure. There's a nice shot of the church. I'm gonna take a photo of that one. That one's nice. What's this store? Clothing. Okay. Now right here, there's a fruit market, and I'm always on about the fruits. I like eating my pineapples every day. Oh, they got fresh orange juice. It looks like. There you go. I'll come back here. I eat pear and apple every day. Oh, they got water apples right there. Check out the water apples. They're like a pear apple. That's a nice place. So if you come here, check this little store out. You can get your food here. But I mean, if you come to Chinatown, I would anticipate that you'd be looking for Chinese food. Oh, it's windy here. Guys, it's windy kind of in all of San Jose, the whole area. Every time I make a video here, it's just super windy. But it's refreshing. Just the microphone on the camera probably doesn't like it. So there's a church. So it's Saturday. I think it's Saturday today. Kind of never know what day it is. You can see there's some parking around here. There is so that building up there, we've done some videos here recently. That is the National Assembly up there, I do believe. That's nice. Nice little area, statues, kids playing over there. There's a little kids park. Guy playing. Oh my god. I think he's trying to serenade me. I am handsome. I'm a handsome guy. Guys, leave me a comment if you've been here to Chinatown. Oh yeah, there's some cool dresses over here. Let's check that out. What's all this stuff? Oh, okay. A foot massage. Man, I want to get touched in every one of those. I want somebody to touch me in every one of those symbols. Look at this dress and dresses. Look at that. That's exquisite. Exquisite. Just incredible. I want to do like a night tour. So the party area, or like I don't drink, guys. If you've been watching the channel, you know that. But the place where people drink and party and flirt with each other and do courtship rituals and all that is over there. I want to do a walk around there one day. Let me know if you guys want to see that. The nightlife, I think, is what they call it. I just call that past my bedtime. What is this? Okay. I think that's like Pokemons. I think these are all Pokemons. Those are Care Bears. I know that because I was indoctrinated by the Care Bear propaganda when I was a child. Oh, there's an actual Pokemon store over here. Look at this. Poke store. Dude, that's wild. I want to go look in there. Look at this place. Cool. So check that out. If you like Pokemon, if you're an adult and you like Pokemon, man, good on you. Good on you. But you can bring your kids there too. Now I saw these things earlier. What are these? What are these things here? It's a lion, for sure, for certain lion of the genus, but it looks like it's got dragon characteristics. I think in like Canada we'd or like Colorado, the equivalent would be like a man bear pig. If I see a man bear pig statue, I'm gonna absolutely freak out, dude. I'm gonna start screaming, wave my fingers around. That'd be so cool. Now here's kind of the main area with all the restaurants. Ooh, we got and stores. There's stores. Lots of stores. What's this place? Hobby. Oh, it's a hobby shop. I guess we'll go look, guys. I mean, you guys have left comments saying, "Oh, go look at the." I don't want to like walk in there. Oh wow, Transformers and dude, I don't know what. Oh, Power Rangers, dude, that's crazy. Are those Power Rangers? Did you guys know that like Power Rangers was actually based off a? I think it was like Japanese. It wasn't even called Power Rangers. Some other show, and they just dubbed over it. That kind of betrayed my childhood in a way. There's a looks like a department store or something like that. Oh, here we got some food here now. Okay. So that is 1,000 cologne. That's $2 for a cupcake. So all kinds of stuff. Honestly, though, it just looks like more cardio that I don't want to do. There's some other things. Guys, I always have to say this. I'm not a food person. I don't like go out and eat like I do, but I don't pay attention when I'm doing it, so I don't really know stuff about food. It's not in my wheelhouse. So as I'm walking and talking, I try to just describe it. I'm just trying to keep the narrative going, right? Here's some panda bears. The funniest animals alive. I don't know how natural selection allows panda bears to exist. Yomi Cake and Tea. Okay, there's another place where there's a lineup. Anywhere where there's a lineup, I presume it's really good. Sear, okay, what's sear? I don't know what sear is. I see that a lot, actually. I should know what it is because I see it everywhere. Oh yeah, it's kind of like an Econo. It's like a department store right here. Sear. You can see how busy it is and windy. It's just windy here. Oh, and I saw a restaurant earlier. What's this place? Sweet House. Did we just look at this? I don't know if we did. Look at this stuff, man. Honestly, just more cardio that I don't want to do. Just more cardio. That's like 10-kilometer run right there. Just don't want to do it. I've actually eaten at this restaurant here. So usually when I go to Asian restaurants, I just get like the, how would you describe it? Chicken and rice. And it's funny because like when I go to, what are the other types of restaurants there? I don't know, like Lebanese or whatever. I always just get chicken and rice. If I see chicken and rice on the menu, that's all I really know how to order. What's this place? Macrobiotica. So if you need like herbs and supplements, this is the kind of, that's the sign you look for, Macrobiotica. Oh, Lucky Store. Dude, I have such bad attention deficit here. Like I'm just spinning back and forth. This is my life. It's chaotic in my mind. Oh, there's the Care Bears again. They don't leave me alone, dude. They're like following me. Don't tell my shrink I said that. I'll have to go back to the hotel. So there's a restaurant up there. Once again, I don't want to like be that guy, you know? I don't want to be that guy. But there's a pretty nice restaurant up there. It looks pretty big too. And they have like banquet, what do they got? Like banquet kind of lighting fixtures. And cool like velvet chairs. So check that place out. I don't think I'll go up there on this occasion. Oh, there's a Maxi Pally right here. Or a Pally. It's probably just a Pally. Pally's like, when you see that green, that's when you know you can get some groceries there. So Maxi Pallies are the big ones and Pallies are like the small ones. But Pallies have like all the groceries and the Maxis usually have like, they sell like car tires and like TVs and stuff like that. Cool. Oh, and I didn't show you guys where I parked. We passed it one block up was the parking lot. But there are private parking lots all along here. And guys, okay, this is interesting. So this store right here, I've been in here. And they have all kinds of like Asian food. They've got all kinds of Asian food in here. So if you want like Asian food, you come here and you can see they got stuff that's actually imported with like, you know, guys, I don't want to be racist or whatever. Like that guy, it looks like Chinese writing. If it's not, you can jack me up in the comments, whatever. I presume it's Chinese imported stuff. Really cool. They got like even like soft drinks that I don't see anywhere else in Costa Rica. So that's a cool store to go into. You can get like, they've got like soft drinks with like anime characters on them and stuff like that. Which I'm not particularly certain what they are. Now where are we? Where are we now? We're at Bubble Tea Food. This looks new here. I'd like to check this out. You can see right there, guys, Paseo. There's a parking lot right there. Oh, and I think there's another one right there. But if you just come down here, I'm pretty sure you'll find a parking lot. And I'm pretty sure we're paying like $1, $2 an hour to park here. There's Chinese BBQ. Okay. Oh, dude. Actually, I wanna go sneak a peek here, dude. Actually want to sneak a peek. It looks like this might be one of those things that, as I play Frogger here, it looks like it might be one of those things where you like cook your food on the table. I have seen them referred to previously as Korean barbecue. Is it where you throw your own food on the table? It is, bro. It is. Wow, and they got a vent. Okay, that's cool. I like that because then I could just throw pineapples and meat on the barbecue. So check that place out, guys. It's pretty cool. They have those in Canada when I was up there last. And I like it because you could just order tons of meat and pineapple and just grill it yourself. That's what I like. So there you have it, guys. Chinatown, Costa Rica, and San Jose, the capital city here in San Jose. See, it's very busy, but cool. It's worth checking out. So a lot of people say, like, I see comments like, don't go to San Jose, skip San Jose. Man, if you come down here, you can check it out, get some Chinese food, go in the shops, go to Chinese barbecue right there. It's worth a stop if you're landing in San Jose for sure, and you're heading, so Cartago's that way. Cartago's that way, and then if you continue going up the Hill of Death, you end up in Perez de Ladon. So guys, hope you enjoyed that walkie-talkie tour. Be sure to hit like, hit subscribe, leave me a comment. Check all the links in the description for useful stuff that I use here in Costa Rica. Like the secure backpack that I'm wearing right now as I walk through these crowds keeps all my stuff nice and safe. So no sticky fingers are touching my bag. Thanks again for watching, guys. Bye now.
There. And then flip it. It's supposed to sign.